ePayPolicy integrates with WeSignature to make your payment processing seamless. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply go to the Payment Partner Integration tab in the WeSignature Settings menu, enter the API credentials from your ePay dashboard, and you're connected. Now, your clients will be able to pay their due invoices in real time with any major credit card or ACH. After creating a document in WeSignature, all you need to do is select Take Payment with ePay, choose the desired payer, and enter the required amount. Once that document is sent, the client will receive an email where they can sign and pay in order to bind coverage. After the payment is made, e-receipts are sent to all parties and the payment status in WeSignature is updated to Paid. This information will also be accessible within the ePayPolicy dashboard. As you can see, the integration really does streamline your receivables. Trust me, your accounting team will love this. Contact us to learn more about the WeSignature integration today.